Welcome to this NotaryLive Spotlight feature. Today we're showing you how AI-powered auto-tagging makes the sessions smarter, faster, and easier than ever. AutoTag uses AI to instantly detect and assign fields like signatures, dates, names, and more across your uploaded document, so you don't have to tag everything manually. After you've entered your signer's info and uploaded your document, you'll see a button labeled Auto Tag. Just click it and boom! Your document is automatically tagged in seconds. Whether it's a single form or a 10-page packet, all signature fields, text boxes, initials, and dates are placed exactly where they belong. It's tagging without the tedious work. Why use Auto Tag? It saves time on every document, ensures accurate field placement, reduces human error, works across multi-page files, and delivers a cleaner, faster experience for both senders and signers. Less dragging, more doing. That's the magic of AutoTag from NotaryLive. Happy tagging!